Hi everyone, welcome to CASE-A-CARD, which means Copy and Selectively Edit. A small group of us picks something out of an active Stampin' Up catalog, which right now is the January to June Mini 2021, which expires the end of this month, as well as the annual catalog that just started the beginning of May. So I did pick a card out of the annual catalog this month. I kind of changed my mind mid-process, but I've been wanting to use the Give It a Whirl dies. They're actually on page 163 of the catalog, but they show them used here with this Stellar Birthday. And I do have that Stellar Birthday, and I do have the Give It a Whirl dies. I've never used any dies like this before. So, and the thing is, we have access as demonstrators to what they call card recipes for all the cards in the catalogs. However, it doesn't come with instructions. It just tells you what they used. So I figured it out though, and I didn't watch any other videos about it. The main players are this piece and this piece, and in my case this piece, although there are three other options: a rectangle, a circle, and a heart. I did not use the clouds. I did use the stars. And then I did pretty much this card, except that they, I don't know if you can see it, they used, I think they inked the background, and then they used gold embossing powder. But I decided to try, I did use Night of Navy, however, I then decided to pull out the ombre specialty paper in Night of Navy and Mango Melody for the stars, as you can see, and this for the front. So I didn't feel like I needed the embossing, and yeah, so, and I did change the sentiment to the one that says "You're out of this world." They actually used the little doggy. I did not. I just used stars, planets. I did use the little girl because I thought I could use this maybe for my youngest granddaughter or something. It says "Have a Stellar Birthday." I put that on the inside. So let me show you the card. I only made one. Here it is. I might maybe put a few more stars here, but yeah, I like the rocket. I did put Wink of Stella on the little yellow part there and the flame. And I put a little arrow on here. That was part of the dies too. And mine you have to turn upwards because of the way I stamped the rocket. And my Wink of Stella leaked a little bit there. And this star is put down with a glue dot on top. The round and square brads, I used the small round, and I covered it with a star. So that's about it. I did have to color her and fussy cut her, which they did also. She and this star are bumped up on dimensionals. The rest are just glued down. And yeah, so we're flying to the planets. Maybe I should have had it going the other way, right? Going up into the sky. And then inside, I stamped the stars. I had one little sliver of paper. I just put it in there and stamped "Have a Stellar Birthday." Oops, that really got blurry. So yeah, I think it came out cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. It's pretty easy. I'll probably use a different stamp set and maybe one of these other ways of doing this part. Like, I'll probably use either the heart or the circle and to have a spinny thing with that. It works out pretty well. I mean, you'll still use this, but the images will have a smaller area because of the circle and the square. So, and what I'm talking about, the window would be different. It would be like this instead. So I'm gonna look for some stamp sets that I want to try with this, and I'll do one of them on my Wednesday night live this week. So that would be excuse me, June 9th at 7 p.m. Eastern. So I hope you can join me for that, and I'll show you how to use these dies and any stamp set you have that has images small enough to put on the turn wheel. So yeah, now it does leave a little line going across here from this, but you can't on this ombre paper. You don't really see it that much till you hold it up to the light. You can see it a little bit right there. It doesn't bother me that much. It might bother some. I don't know what to tell you to do about it. So if you have any suggestions for that, let me know, but it doesn't bother me that much. And then I did bump this up on dimensionals too, the whole thing, onto a piece of, oh gosh, is it 4? I cut it originally to 5 1/4 by 4, but I had to trim the back piece down about 1/4 inch, so I guess this is about 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. So yeah, that is my card. Please go check out all the other collab participants and see what they've made, and I can't wait to see also. And then I'll be back on the 7th for Smash Our Stash. Pretty much this week I'll be here the 7th, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, and the 15th and the 18th next week. Well, 15th, 16th, and 18th next week. So yeah, busy first full week of the month. All right, guys, I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.